Good morning, guys. Once again, short vowel versus long vowel. I this time, short I, as in pig. Long I as in kite. And once again this week, there is one oddball to try to figure out. A little help with that oddball. If you take a look at the patterns of your words, the way they're written, the way they sound, you should be able to figure out which word it is. So, just like last week, we want to go through our list of words. Dish has that short I sound. And would fall under the I in pig header. And 5 has that long I sound, five, and would fall under the kite header. Again, I'll ask you to look at these words, sort them, and see how the words in each column are alike and how they're different. And once again, we have some picture words. And we know we have the long I sound and the short I sound. So I'm probably not going to say shoe for this one with the ball, or blade for this one. The other two I think are pretty simple. To figure out whether they are short or long I. Oh, and we do have another one right here. Take the time today to listen to this at least twice so that you're not asking the same questions you did last time as to what you're supposed to be doing. You'll have your words, just like you see in front of you. Cut them out and sort them. In the meantime, I will give you your short list to either glue into your planner or write the words into your planner. Once you have your words sorted, show me the sort, ask any questions you may have, and I will get the homework packet out to you. If there's time, you simply put your name on it and begin your word sort. Please, again, come to me with any questions. Make sure all scraps, scissors, and glue are taken care of, and that we're not leaving a mess on anybody's desk or the floor around their desk.